In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to target by device in Outbrain. Device targeting helps you control where your ads appear, so your message reaches people on the screens that make the most sense for your goals. Maybe your landing page shines on a larger display, or your offer converts best on the go. Setting the right devices from the start can improve performance and keep your spend focused. Begin in your Outbrain dashboard. Head to the Campaigns area, then either create a new campaign or open an existing one you want to edit. As you move through the setup, after you've picked your campaign goal, set your budget, and chosen your geo-targeting, you'll arrive at the targeting section. This is where you fine-tune who sees your ads, and it's also where you'll control device settings. Within the targeting section, look for the option labeled Device or sometimes Platform Targeting. The exact label can vary slightly, but it will be clearly tied to device types. Open that setting to see the available categories. Outbrain lets you choose from desktop, smartphone or mobile, and tablet. Each one represents a distinct experience, so think about how your content and landing page behave on different screens. If your offer requires detailed reading or form fills that are easier with a keyboard and a larger display, desktop may be the best fit. If your audience tends to browse and take quick actions while on the move, smartphone or mobile targeting can be ideal. Tablet sits in between, offering a touch experience with more screen real estate, which can help if your creatives are highly visual. You can select one, two, or all three, depending on your strategy. Be intentional here. Aligning devices with your creative format and page design often leads to smoother user journeys. Once you've made your selections, save your settings. Look for the Save or Apply button in the targeting area, or use the primary save option in the campaign builder. This ensures your device choices are locked in for the campaign. After saving, continue building the rest of your campaign. Add or refine your ads, complete any remaining targeting options, and confirm your budget details. You've now set your campaign to reach people on the devices you've chosen, keeping your delivery focused and your message tailored to the right screens.